Hey guys, TheDiamondSword here, and today we're going to be making an omelet. Now, I know this is going to be my first cooking video, probably going to be making another one next weekend, no clue. Today is Saturday, March 16th, 2019. Okay guys, now to make an omelet, you guys are going to need eggs and toppings. Now for me, I like to use, for toppings I like to use cheese. Sorry, there's already a bag of cheese right here, my bad. And also I use green onions. Since we are out of green onions, we're going to have to go out to our good old-fashioned place, which is outside. So I'll be back in just a moment. Hey guys, I'm back with one green onion from my plantation out there. Because what you guys are going to do is that for me, I like to put in tiny bits of green onion for each piece. So that way you can get a nice, decent amount. I'm going to use this entire piece of green onion. That way I can have me a nice, delicious omelet. Okay, I'm going to skip this part. Okay guys, now the easy parts are done. The green onions, I put a lot of cheese in there, so I like cheesy eggs. Okay, then what you want to do is that if you guys want a small omelet, use 1 egg. If you guys want a huge omelet, 2 eggs. If you guys want like an omelet to feed like an entire family, 4, 5. But for me, I'm just going to use 2. 1 egg, put it down in the trash, eat, and then 2 eggs. Cool. Oh yeah, I already made one for the TheDiamondSword. I made an omelet for her earlier. Now, what you want to do is when you get a fork, you want to just casually mix them all together. Now, I'm going to skip this step, and then I'll be back. So now that that's done, what you guys want to do is you guys want to take the egg. Let me just throw this fork away inside the old-fashioned heat-mobile. Okay, and then what you guys want to do is you guys want to take the eggs and bring you guys over here down to my pan. Yep. Bad setup. Bad setup. Okay. Bad setup. Bad setup. Bad setup. Okay. Stick like that. Okay, so what you guys want to do is you guys want to take the pan. If you guys are using a gas stove like I'm using, I always light mine first, and then I set it down to 4 to get the grease off the tip, which I already have on here. What you guys want to do is you guys want to pour the eggs gently into the pan. Make sure right here. Right to that. That way, then you guys will coat it evenly, and then I'll bring you guys back whenever it starts heating up. Okay, so now it's starting to heat up because I turned up the heat from 4 to 6, and then your omelet should start to look like that. See how it's getting nice and white around the edges? Yeah, that's good. That means the egg is cooking on the outside, and the inside's still heating up. So I'll get back to you guys whenever it starts doing that. Just a little reminder for you guys: this is only going to be a 5-minute video. It's probably going to be really quick, probably a little slow as well. But what I'm making is what I call a pizza omelet. I'm not folding it over, I'm basically cooking it in a big disc. So that way whenever it's done, you guys would say in the comment section, oh, it doesn't look like an omelet, it's not flipped. It looks like a circle or a pizza. That's what it is, it's a pizza omelet. So, that's all I have to say. Okay guys, so now what should be happening is that the egg should be starting to look a little bit something like this. Now, this means that the egg is cooked almost all the way through. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it. We're going to take the spatula. I'm going to put you guys down for a second. Here. Okay, that's good. So what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to take it and lift it upward. And we're going to flip it. See, this is why I call it a pizza omelet, because it looks like a circle. Okay? And now it's going to flip. Okay, guys. So now if you guys start seeing it smoke a little bit, something like this. Let's see all the smoke right there. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what's gonna? Okay, guys. So now what do you want to do? So you guys back up right here. These guys want to take it and flip it over again. See? Now it should look something like this. Now you guys want to turn off the stove heat and transfer this onto this side. Then back down to the. Okay, guys. This is the last and final step. Plating. What you guys want to do? You guys want to just take this, put it over down here into a plate, and flip it over. And that's the end of the video. Okay, guys. So I'm TheDiamondSword. Guys, I'm TheDiamondSword. That's the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe.